Hello, in front of me I've got REDMI Buds Essential. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Right here on the top of them we've got the multifunctional panel. Single tap to answer a call. Double tap to decline or end the call. Single tap, pause or play music. Play next track. When playing audio, double tap the earbuds multifunctional button. To enable low latency mode, while the earbuds are connected to a phone, press and hold the multifunctional button on the left and right earbuds for 1.5 seconds. To activate voice assistant, press the multifunctional button 3 times. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.